Hey guys, quick video for you on how you're gonna reset the Hotpoint dryer. So to do it is, if you want to like factory reset it, it's really simple. So what you need to do is unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes, unplug it from the outlet, or you're gonna have to turn off the circuit breaker 5-10 minutes for the dryer. And when you're gonna do it, then what you need to do is to like plug it back in, and this is how you're gonna reset it. So this is the only way. I was looking everywhere on how we can do it, and this is the only thing that I found. So do it, and maybe it's going to help fix the issue. So thank you very much, and have a great day, and goodbye.